In this video, I am going to teach you how to use Clickup for ticketing so you can manage requests and issues more effectively. Stick around to get the most out of your help desk setup. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign in your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want to create your ticketing system. In the Space section, select the space you want to edit for ticketing and click the three dots next to it. This will open more options for that space. Choose Templates in the option. Templates make setting up ticketing super easy and fast. Click Browse Templates to see different ready-made templates you can apply. This saves you time setting things up from scratch. In the search bar, search Ticket and choose Help Desk Ticket. This template is designed for handling incoming requests and support tasks. Click Use Template, then you can change the name of the ticket space and adjust other settings. Personalize it so it matches your team's workflow. If you're happy with the settings, just click Use Template again. This will apply the template to your space. Now it will automatically sync your new help desk ticket and you can edit it based on your preference. Add custom fields, statuses, or automation as needed. And that's how to use Clickup for ticketing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful guides. See you next time!